Hi everyone! Magandang gabi! Let's continue learning more Tagalog Homograph word, and we have 5 more tonight, and our first word ay Kapitan. 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 Kapitan means a captain, or it can also mean a handlebar. Let's say the word again. Kapitan. It could either mean a captain or a handlebar. If you pronounce the word Kapitan, Kapitan, it means to attach or put something. Kapitan. Halimbawa or example, let's say that you have a beautiful tree on your yard and you just told your husband and you said, "Look, those trunks are beautiful. Kapitan natin ng Christmas light," or kapitan natin ng Christmas lantern. Let's attach Christmas lights, or let's put Christmas lanterns. Kapitan. Kapitan natin ng Christmas lights, or kapitan natin ng Christmas lanterns. Our second word ay kita. Kita. Or you can also pronounce it as kita. Either kita or kita. First, it means earnings or earned money, or it can also mean see or meet. Example ng earned money, if you wanna ask, how much did you earn? Magkano ang kita mo? Or the other pronunciation, magkano ang kita mo? Magkano ang kita mo? Or magkano ang kita mo? And if you wanna answer, I only earned $50. $50 lang ang kita ko. Or $50 lang ang kita ko. Kita or kita. And the other meaning ay meet or see. And I used the word on the last pronunciation video. Sa taas, on the phrase, let's meet later or see you later. Informal, kita tayo mamaya, kita tayo later. Or the other pronunciation, kita tayo later, kita tayo mamaya. Kita, or you can pronounce the word kita. Kita, kita. And our third one, huli. 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 Huli means last or late. Example, this is the last. Huli na to. Huli na to. And late, you're already late. Huli ka na. Huli ka na. Another meaning of the word ay, if you pronounce it as huli, huli, it means catch or caught. Example, how many fish did you catch? Ilang isda ang huli mo? Ilang isda ang huli mo? At another example, if you mean to say, or if you wanna say, I got caught. Nahuli ako. Root word here, huli. Nahuli ako. Nahuli ako. I got caught. Huli, huli. Another example, if you mean to say, got you. Huli ka. Huli ka! Huli ka, Teddy! And our fourth one ay ilang. 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 First, the word could mean that feeling of uneasiness, awkwardness, or feeling uncomfortable when you're around someone. At second or pangalawa, it can also mean remote. Not the remote for TV, but I mean like a remote island or a remote place, ilang na lugar. But if you mean a remote island or a remote place, the word ilang alone is not enough. It should always go with a noun. So, you can't just say ilang. Remote island or remote place, ilang na lugar. Hoy, I notice kanina, ilang ka kay James. Why? Oo, ilang ako kay James. He's weird. He's really weird. And our fifth one, last one for tonight, gulong. 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 Gulong means tire. But if you pronounce the word gulong, gulong, it means roll over. To roll over. If you want to say or you want to tell someone to roll over, gumulong ka. Gumulong ka. Root word, gulong. Gulong, tire, at gulong, roll over or to roll over. And if someone keeps on rolling over, you can say gulong ng gulong. Example, if this bottle keeps on rolling, gulong ng gulong ang botelya. Ayan lang para ngayong gabi. That's all for tonight. Good night na.